Most vehicles never reach 250,000 miles, yet every mechanic has seen the exceptions. A pickup with nearly 400,000 miles, an SUV still running strong past 400,000, or a taxi quietly crossing the 500,000-mile mark. That doesn't happen because of luck. It happens because of hundreds of smart maintenance decisions repeated over thousands of days. Ignore those decisions, and even a reliable engine can require a $5,000 to $12,000 replacement. Neglect the transmission, and repairs can reach another $4,000 to $8,000. Ignore the cooling system, and one overheating event can destroy an engine in minutes. The difference between a vehicle that dies at 150,000 miles and one that survives 500,000 often comes down to simple habits most drivers overlook. By the end of this video, you'll know the maintenance habits experienced mechanics rely on to maximize engine life. And the final habit is one shared by nearly every 400,000-mile vehicle you'll ever see. Let's begin with number 12. Number 12. Check tire pressure. More often than you think. Most drivers glance at their tires, assume they look fine, and drive away. But tire pressure affects far more than tread life. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, forcing the engine and transmission to work harder while reducing fuel economy. They also place additional stress on suspension and steering components. In the shop, we've seen perfectly good tires wear unevenly, simply because the pressure wasn't checked for months. I've also seen wheel bearings, bushings, and steering parts wear prematurely, because the tires weren't properly supporting the vehicle. Replacing suspension parts can easily cost $500 to $1,500. A tire gauge costs less than lunch. Check tire pressure once a month while the tires are cold. It's one of the cheapest habits that protects both your tires and your drivetrain. The next habit protects something even more expensive. Number 11. Replace air filters before they become restrictive. Many people ignore the air filter because the engine still seems to run fine. But every combustion cycle depends on clean airflow. As the filter becomes restricted, the engine works harder to pull in air. Modern computers compensate, but compensation isn't the same as efficiency. Throttle response changes. Fuel trims adjust. Combustion becomes less efficient. Even worse, damaged or neglected filters can allow dust into the engine. Those tiny particles act like sandpaper on cylinder walls, piston rings, and turbocharger blades. A quality air filter costs around $20 to $40. Engine repairs cost thousands. High-mileage engines often have one thing in common: clean intake systems. Replace the filter on schedule, or sooner if you regularly drive in dusty conditions. Number 10. Keep every fluid clean, not just engine oil. Most drivers remember oil changes. Many forget everything else. Transmission fluid, brake fluid, differential oil, transfer case fluid, and power steering fluid all have limited service lives. Heat breaks down additives. Brake fluid absorbs moisture. Gear oil collects microscopic metal particles. Transmission fluid gradually loses its ability to control heat. One pattern appears again and again in the repair shop. Vehicles that reach extremely high mileage rarely have neglected fluids. Taxi fleets, commercial trucks, and delivery vehicles often follow maintenance schedules more aggressively than private owners, which is one reason they survive so long. Waiting until transmission problems appear is especially expensive, because internal wear has usually been happening for thousands of miles. Replacing transmission fluid on schedule costs a fraction of rebuilding the transmission. If you tow, drive in heavy traffic, or regularly face extreme temperatures, follow the severe service schedule instead of the normal one. Number 9. Let the engine warm up naturally. Cold starts create some of the highest wear your engine will ever experience. Some drivers rev the engine immediately. Others let it idle for 15 minutes. Neither is ideal. Modern engines warm up best under light driving. After starting, Allow several seconds for oil pressure to stabilize, then drive gently until the engine reaches operating temperature. Avoid hard acceleration during this period. Thousands of harsh cold starts gradually increase wear on timing components, bearings, and cylinder walls. Driving gently during warm-up costs nothing but can reduce unnecessary wear every single day. Number 8. Avoid constant short trips. Many people assume short trips are easy on a vehicle. Often, they're the opposite. When the engine never reaches full operating temperature, moisture and fuel remain inside the oil. Condensation doesn't fully evaporate. Sludge forms faster. Oil additives are depleted sooner. Used oil analysis frequently shows higher contamination in engines driven almost entirely on short trips. I've torn down low-mileage engines that looked older internally than engines with twice the mileage driven mostly on highways. Whenever possible, combine errands into one longer trip. Allowing the engine, transmission, and exhaust system to reach full operating temperature helps reduce contamination and extend component life. Now, we reach one of the biggest reasons reliable vehicles fail early. Number 7. Change transmission fluid before it gives you problems. Many drivers still believe, if the transmission isn't slipping, don't touch it. That advice has led to countless expensive repairs. Automatic transmission fluid doesn't simply lubricate. It transfers hydraulic pressure, controls clutch engagement, removes heat, and protects precision components. In many repair shops, transmissions fail long before engines, not because of poor design, but because the fluid was never serviced. Heavy towing, mountain driving, stop-and-go traffic, and extreme heat all shorten fluid life. The commercial vehicles that survive the longest almost always receive preventive transmission maintenance. Replacing fluid before problems appear is far cheaper than rebuilding a worn transmission. The next habit protects the one system capable of destroying an engine in just a few minutes. Number 6. Monitor your cooling system before it fails. Most drivers think about the cooling system only after the temperature gauge starts climbing. By then, it's often too late. Coolant doesn't just prevent overheating. It controls engine temperature and protects the radiator, water pump, heater core, and engine block from corrosion. Over time, corrosion inhibitors wear out even if the coolant still looks clean. I've inspected perfectly healthy engines that suffered catastrophic damage because a small coolant leak went unnoticed. A worn hose, failing water pump, or cracked thermostat housing can quickly turn into an overheating event costing thousands of dollars. Check coolant levels regularly. Inspect hoses for swelling or cracks. Replace coolant according to the manufacturer's schedule instead of waiting for problems to appear. Reliability is often determined more by maintenance habits than by the badge on the hood. So let me ask you, what's the highest mileage you've ever reached on one vehicle? Leave it in the comments. Now, let's move into the top 5 habits that separate ordinary vehicles from true 500,000-mile survivors. Number 5. Check your oil level every month. One of the simplest ways to destroy an engine is running it low on oil. Not empty, just consistently low. Many modern engines, especially turbocharged models, naturally consume small amounts of oil between changes. The problem is that most owners never check. I've inspected engines where timing chains, camshafts, and bearings showed accelerated wear, simply because the oil level stayed 1 or 2 quarts low for months. Lower oil volume means less lubrication, less cooling, and faster oil breakdown. Checking takes less than 2 minutes. Park on level ground, wait a few minutes after shutting the engine off, pull the dipstick, wipe it clean, check again, and top off with the correct oil if needed. That simple habit can prevent repairs costing thousands of dollars. but even a full crankcase can't protect your engine if you're using the wrong oil. Number 4. Always use the correct oil specification. Many drivers focus only on viscosity. If the bottle says 0W20 or 5W30, they assume every oil is the same. It isn't. Modern engines are engineered around specific oil specifications that include wear protection, oxidation resistance, deposit control, and compatibility with emission systems. I've seen engines with excellent service histories still develop timing chain wear because the wrong specification was used repeatedly. The engine received lubrication, but not the protection it was designed to have. Always check the owner's manual for the required API rating or manufacturer approval, not just the viscosity. The right specification helps your engine survive hundreds of thousands of heat cycles. Number 3, shorten maintenance intervals under severe driving. One of the biggest maintenance mistakes is assuming the owner's manual schedule applies to everyone. It doesn't. Most manuals include 2 schedules, normal service and severe service. Severe service includes frequent short trips, heavy traffic, towing, dusty roads, or extreme temperatures. Under those conditions, oil degrades faster, transmission temperatures rise, and air filters clog sooner. Commercial trucks and taxi fleets that regularly exceed 300,000 miles rarely follow the maximum maintenance intervals. They service vehicles according to how they're actually driven. Spending a little more on preventive maintenance each year is far cheaper than replacing an engine or transmission. Number 2, fix small problems before they become big ones. Most expensive repairs begin as inexpensive ones. A tiny coolant leak, a slight oil seep, a noisy wheel bearing, a thermostat that sticks once in a while. Many owners postpone repairs because the vehicle still runs. But small problems rarely stay small. A minor coolant leak can become a severe overheating event. A slow oil leak can eventually damage bearings. A worn belt can fail without warning. In the shop, we often see simple repairs turn into multi-thousand-dollar jobs simply because they were ignored too long. Owners of high-mileage vehicles usually think differently. They repair problems early, before they become emergencies. That's one of the biggest reasons many vehicles quietly reach 300,000 or even 400,000 miles. Number 1, be consistent, not reactive. People often ask what miracle oil, additive, or secret trick helped a truck reach 500,000 miles. The answer is almost never exciting. It's consistency. I've inspected engines with extraordinary mileage. Some used premium synthetic oil. Others used mid-priced oil. Some spent their lives on highways. Others worked in commercial service. But nearly all shared the same habit: regular oil changes, transmission service, cooling system maintenance, early leak repairs, smooth driving, paying attention before warning lights forced them to. That's what separates many 150,000-mile vehicles from 500,000-mile survivors. Not luck, not magic. Thousands of smart decisions repeated year after year. No single habit guarantees 500,000 miles. Together, they dramatically improve your odds. Vehicles that reach 400,000 or even 500,000 miles rarely do so by accident. They get there because owners prevent problems instead of reacting to them. They use the correct fluids, they inspect the vehicle regularly, they fix small issues before they become major failures, and they drive with mechanical sympathy instead of unnecessary abuse. A vehicle doesn't last 500,000 miles because it's indestructible. It lasts because thousands of small maintenance decisions keep major failures from ever happening. Now I'd like to hear from you. How many miles are on your vehicle today? And what's the highest mileage vehicle you've ever owned? Leave your answer in the comments below. If you enjoy practical maintenance advice based on real-world mechanic experience, consider subscribing. And don't miss our next video, where we'll reveal one common maintenance mistake that silently shortens engine life, even on vehicles with perfect service records. The longest-lasting vehicles aren't always the most expensive. They're usually the ones that are cared for the most.